Today we're going to discuss context clues. Do y'all remember yesterday we talked about context clues? Can anyone tell me anything that they remember about context clues? What can you tell me, Tahar? What are context clues? Do you remember what context clues? You said context clues were? You want to think about it? Okay. Do you remember what context clues were? What were context clues? I need you to talk about. Dominic? Okay, let's just watch this brain pop. Let's just watch this video and see what we can find out about context clues. So what did they say about context clues? It helps you figure out the what of a word?
The meaning.
The meaning of a word. Very good. Okay, let's watch this video.
Context clues. Figure out words and sentences about emotions. Earth is covered by water. 97% of that water is ocean water. These large oceans have important jobs. What functions do these oceans serve? The ocean's water circulates heat throughout the Earth. The sun heats up air and water at the equator, the imaginary line that runs around the center of the Earth. Then, moving streams of water in the ocean, called currents, pull warm water toward the colder water at the poles. Wind causes surface currents, but not all currents are at the surface. The rising of hot water and the sinking of cold water creates these deep currents.
Thank you, Demetrius.
The ocean's currents do more than just carry heat. The currents also carry billions of tiny organisms throughout the oceans, providing the basis for the food chain. Unfortunately, when oil tankers crash and leak, the ocean's currents also circulate the oil to different parts of the ocean. Sailors take advantage of currents. The moving water makes their sailboats go faster. Currents are found in all 5 oceans. They carry heat, nutrients, pollution, and even people all over the globe.
So when they talk about currents, guys, what are they describing? What does currents do? What did it say currents do to the water? It makes it splashes. It helps do what else? And what does it do? It helps move. It helps move the what? It makes waves, and it helps the boats do what? What does it help the boats do? It helps them. It helps the boats do what? Okay.
Let's take a closer look at some sentences about oceans to see how to use context clues to figure out word meanings. Read the following sentence. How can we use context clues to figure out what the highlighted word means? Ocean currents circulate heat all over the world.
Circulate.
Did you know what the word circulate means?
Does anyone know what the word circulate means?
Sentence might help you
What does the word circulate mean?
figure it out.
When something circulate, it does what? It does. What is it doing? It's moving. That's a good one too. Going around.
Provide clues. For something to go all over the world, it needs to move. Read the sentence again and substitute the word for circulate. Ocean currents heat all over the world. Does the new sentence make sense? Circulate means move.
does surface mean, guys? It says some currents move along the surface, but they can be found at all depths, even at the bottom. So what do you think surface means? Is surface, does that mean the top or the bottom? What does surface mean? That's on the what? What did you just say? Say it out loud. It's on top. Okay, let's see.
Look at the last half of the sentence. It tells us that currents can be found in all depths of the ocean, even at the bottom. Bottom is the opposite of top. This tells us that surface doesn't mean bottom, or anything in the middle. Does it make sense to say some currents move along the top of the water? Surface means at the top.
So what does surface mean at the what? It's on the what? What is it on, Harper? On the top. Very good, guys.
When you read, you may come across words that you don't understand. Using context clues is one way to figure out the meaning of a word. Read from a book about dolphins. Use context clues to figure out the meanings of words you do not know.
Okay, guys, did that give you all some insight on context clues? Okay, now since we watched the video and it's given us some information on context clues, we're gonna do an activity. Write your name at the top of your paper. Let's try an activity on context clues to see what you've learned. Okay.
R-U-L.
Today's date is November 4th, 11/4/15. Yes, we have to get another one. Okay, I'm gonna let you all complete this. Do you think you can do it independently, or you need my help? You want me to read it for you? Okay. Let's look at number 1, guys. What's all the racket outside? What word is underlined in this sentence? What's all the racket outside the window? What's the word that's very good? Circle the correct answer. Noise is the correct answer. We're not gonna say it out loud, we're just gonna circle it on our papers, okay? Number 10. Emma put the clay in the mold to make a fossil. What word is underlined? So, would that be a fungus, a frame, or a form to change the shape of an object? What would a mold be? Would that be a fungus or a frame or form to? Oh, very good, Taharka, but we're gonna not say it out loud, okay? We're gonna just circle our answers. That's good, Tadara.